Hey, when first I saw our banner wave above the nation's council hall, I heard beneath its marble wall the clanking fetters of the slave. In the foul marketplace I stood and saw the Christian mothers sold, and childhood with its locks of gold, blue-eyed and fair with Saxon blood. I shut my eyes, I held my breath, and smothering down the wrath and shame that set my northern blood aflame, stood silent where to speak was death. Beside me gloomed the prison cell, where wasted one in slow decline for uttering simple words of mine and loving freedom all too well. The flag that floated oppressor's side was power, and yet I knew that every wrong, however old, however strong, but waited God's avenging hour. I knew that truth would crush the lie somehow, sometime the end would be, yet scarcely dared I hope to see the triumph with my mortal lie. But now I see it. Justice long delayed is done, not as we hoped. In calm of prayer the message of deliverance comes, but heralded by roll of drums on waves of battle troubled air. Mid sounds that madden and appall, the song that Bethlehem shepherds knew, the harp of David melting through the demon agonies of Saul. Not as we hoped, but what are we? Above our broken dreams and plans, God lays with wiser hand than man's the cornerstones of liberty. I cavil not with him, the voice that freedom's blessed gospel tells is sweet to me as silver bells. Rejoicing, yea, I will rejoice, dear friends, still toiling in the sun. Ye dear ones who gone before are watching from the eternal shore the slow work by your hands begun. Rejoice with me, the chastening rod blossoms with love, the furnace heat grows cool beneath his blessed feet, whose form is as the Son of God. Rejoice, our Mara's bitter springs are sweetened on our ground of grief. Rise day by day in strong relief, the prophecies of better things. Rejoice in hope, the day